It's your boy made Jay, and I'm back with another video. We got a new little setup. I got a little stand for my phone nowadays, so we good. We right in action. So right here we got my boy Likybo. Me and him talked in the DMs. I did a couple of reaction videos to his other shit, and I really fuck with bro tough. He from Oakland, California. He raised somewhere else, but he from Oakland, California. So I even fuck with him because he from my city, so he understand. But right here, we got Likybo, Rain. Link to this video in the description down below. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new. And if you're not new and you're part of OMJ family, please don't forget to like this video and also share it. Let's get it.
Likybo on this thing, man. Talk to you for a minute. Baby girl, just rain on me. Let all your love fall down, put all your pain on me. Cause I don't wanna see you frown, and I will walk a mile just to see you smile. The realest nigga you done met, I know it's been a while. I said teamwork, make the dream work. Babe, let's be a team. Do everything you ever wanted, girl, let's chase this dream. I beat that pussy in the morning just cause you a queen. Would you agree? If I was on one knee with your engagement?
Hey, let me be honest with y'all. I fuck with Likybo and his music just because his personality is A1. He just real. He gonna tell you how it is, just who he is. But also he took a style of rap and flipped it and made it into his own that worked for him. Ain't nobody can rap like he can rap. He got talent, bro, and I fuck with his talent. A lot of people don't have that.
I never knew that I could trust again when I got trust issues. Girl, you the truth, and I would be a fool to ever lie to you. If I told you that I loved you, would you say it back? These other bitches ain't got nothing, and I'm just stating facts. Let me hear that one. Okay. That motherfucker play out. Back in. Look. If I told you that you special, would it warm your heart? Would it? Smile could brighten up a room as soon as it get dark. We could make our life a movie if we play our part. Dumb decisions come to end this. Babe, let's play it smart. And when I look into your eyes, it's so much on my mind. Like, baby girl, you're so fine, according to a dime. And you can look around the world, but it ain't nothing like mine. And you can look around the world, but it ain't nothing like mine. And ain't no shawty like mine. And ain't no shawty like mine. So let it rain, let your love fall down. Let it rain, let your love fall down.
Hey, this my shit, bro, with the old school little feeling on it. It's that one. Hey, Likybo, this that one. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Let it rain, let your love fall down. Let it rain, let your love fall down. Let it rain, let your love fall down. Let your love fall down. Let your love fall down.
Hey, Likybo, if you see this video, bro, I fuck with you tough, bro, on some real life shit, though, nigga. And if I meet you in real life, bro, you feel me, nigga, I'm gonna be grateful to be in your presence, my nigga. But anyways, if you're new to my channel and you like this reaction video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell to get all my notifications every time I post a video. It's the summertime. It's July 16th. It's going to be posted on July 16th. So don't forget that. Also, don't forget to share this video to all your friends and all your social medias. I know y'all got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can even have MySpace, whatever. Email it to your grandma. I don't matter. Just make sure you send it to people and tell them to subscribe to the channel that we know does it best, you know? I know it's a lot of reaction channels on YouTube probably doing the same reaction I'm reacting, and y'all like, well, I want to subscribe to you, though. I can go subscribe to them. I'm going to keep it real, and I'm going to keep it a buck. I'm not going to be fake for the camera. But anyways, it's your boy, Jay. This was Likybo Rain, and I love y'all. Have a good day. Peace.